facility a few weeks ago, there was an outbreak of measles. Siyempre, pinagalingan nila ng tigas, tao. That outbreak of measles probably pulled down the immune system and the resistance of many of the monkeys. At nung meron nang dumating doon na merong Ebola reston, madaling nahawa yung iba. So these are all possibilities that we are looking into. But this kind of Ebola is very different from the Ebola that happened in Africa and is currently happening. Yung Ebola reston virus po na ito can be transmitted to humans without resulting to illness. Ibig po sabihin, kung mahawa man yung tao, hindi po nagkakaroon ng sintomas. And the threat to human health is likely to be low or even none for healthy adults. So, importante pa rin yung magandang resistance. Lumabas na may mga nagpositibo sa Ebola, hindi po yung tao. The tests were actually positive, but these were actually Ebola reston in monkeys. So, the sample were monkeys. Kung sa monkeys, medyo nagkakasakit talaga sila, sa tao hindi. And the reason why we called for this press conference is that kagabi kasi marami nang lumalabas na maling impormasyon. Magkapangalan kasi, parang sounds like. But they are actually two different kinds of viruses. Malalaman po natin yung exact kind by next week because we have already sent it abroad for confirmatory. Yung talagang titingnan yung genetic material. Yung Ebola po kasi ang laki-laking pamilya po niya.